In one operation, we do all of the work. Here, I want to show you the endpoint that allows you to execute Python code. It's all encoded here, so it's a bit hard to read, but I wanted to create an example to show you how you can use that endpoint. Here, I'm using the HTTP module in Make to call the run Python endpoint. And it's just a simple example here where we have a bunch of YouTube titles. Here, I'll expand this so we can see. It's a bit hard to see here, but all of these titles are all lowercase. But what if we were in a situation where we had to uppercase the first letter of each word in the title? Well, this is how you would do that in Make. We're parsing that JSON, so we're getting all of the different titles in separate bundles that we can loop through. So here you can see all of the titles and all of the characters are in lowercase. And then in this module here, we are simply using this function start case, which will uppercase each of the first letters of each word. And so you can see here we had more than 100 titles. So we had to run this over 100 times. And here are all of those various operations. And you can imagine if there were more titles, it would get even worse. And then we have an aggregator here that allows us to bring all the data together. So here we can see how Make helped us uppercase the first letter of each word. But now using the No Code Architects Toolkit, using the Python code, I can open this up. There's a small bit of code here and we're passing it in those titles. And in one operation, we do all of the work and we can see the response here from the toolkit. Here's all of the titles and we can open one up and we can see that we have uppercased the first letter of each word. Now, if you need help with the toolkit, don't hesitate to join the No Code Architects. It's an engaged community. You can submit all your questions to tech support. There are calls with me almost every single day. And inside the classroom, there's also a Make and Airtable beginner course, access to all my automation templates, and a whole lot more.